Let's continue with next one. Question number 16. 5.5 milligrams of nitrogen gas dissolves in 180 grams of water at 273 Kelvin. So here it has been given as nitrogen gas is how much? 5.5 milligrams. Milli means 10 to the power of minus 3 grams. Is dissolved in 180 grams of water. So the amount of water is how much? That is 180 grams at 273 Kelvin and at 1 atmospheric pressure. So pressure is how much? It is 1 atmosphere at 1 atmospheric pressure due to nitrogen gas. The mole fraction of nitrogen in 180 grams of water at 5 atmosphere nitrogen pressure is approximately. So since here we know that the solubility, according to Henry's law, the solubility of a gas is directly proportional to its what? Mole fraction. Hence, the gas dissolved is what? Nitrogen. Hence, with reference to nitrogen, the gas of nitrogen is how much? 5.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 grams of nitrogen. So here the mass of nitrogen is how much? That is 28, because we know that the mass of nitrogen is 14, N2 means it is 28, that is equal to 1.96 into 10 to the power of minus 4 moles of nitrogen at how much atmosphere? That is 1 atmosphere. Since we know that here it has been given as mole fraction of nitrogen in 180 grams of water at 5 atmospheric nitrogen pressure. We know that the partial pressure P is directly proportional to what? That is nothing but mole fraction. So when I consider with this, here it has been given us to calculate at how much atmosphere? 5 atmosphere. So if the atmospheric pressure is 5 times, then the mole fraction will also increase by how many times? That is 5 times. Therefore 5 into how many number of moles of nitrogen that we have calculated? That is 1.94 into 10 to the power of minus 4, which comes out to be 9.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4, which is approximately equal to 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Hence, the correct option for the given question is option C. So, the simple thing is that here it has been mentioned with nitrogen gas has been dissolved in water. So, I have calculated the number of moles of nitrogen. So, nitrogen gas is what? 5.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is nothing but the molecular mass, which comes out to be 1.96 into 10 to the power of minus 4 at 1 atmosphere. We know that the partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. If the atmospheric pressure is 5 times, the mole fraction should also increase, because mole fraction is proportional to the pressure. Hence, 5 into multiplied with this value, the final answer will be 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Next one, question number 17. A solution of 1.25 grams of P in 50 grams of water lowers freezing point by 0.3 degrees Celsius. Molar mass of P is 94 and Kf of water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. The degree of association of P in water is. So given that Kf is how much? 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. W, that is mass, is nothing but it is 1.25 grams. W is 1.25 grams and it has been given as 50 grams of water lowers the freezing point, and depression in freezing point is given by how much? 0.3 degrees Celsius. So they are asking us to calculate what? Molecular mass. So since it has been given that P undergoes, so it has been given that P undergoes what? Association. So when P undergoes association, that is 2 moles of P will form a single molecule, that is 2. Hence, the value of N is how much? Value of N is 2. We know that the molecular mass can be calculated by the formula, that is 1000 into Kf into W divided by W into delta T. Here, that is nothing but what? 1000 into what is Kf? 1.86. 1.86. Here, solution mass is how much? 1.25. So, this is 1.25 divided by what is the mass of the solvent? 50 grams. 50 into delta T is how much? Delta T is 0.3. Delta T is 0.3. It comes out to be how much? 155 grams, which is nothing but what? The molecular mass. We know that I is nothing but what? The Van 't Hoff's factor. The Van 't Hoff's factor I is equal to normal molecular mass divided by the observed molecular mass. The normal molecular mass is given by how much? 94. It has been given. Molar mass of P is 94. So normal molecular mass is how much? 94. What is the observed molecular mass? Observed molecular mass is 155. It comes out to be 0.606. Therefore, the degree of association of P is given by alpha is equal to 1 minus I divided by 1 minus of 1 by n. Therefore, alpha is equal to 1 minus, what is the value of I? The value of I is 0.606 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by value of n is how much? Value of n is 2. So, if I calculate this, it comes out to be 0.788, that is equal to 78.8%, which is approximately equal to 80%, which is given by the option A.